So yeah, to wrap it up, I mean, that's basically what I'll get at is, in my opinion, your work is your work. Your job is your life. Go to work, leave work, come home, do your job now on your life. Enjoy your life. Try to be positive. Seek out the motivation, seek out meditation, seek out, phone a friend, do something to be that I love that analogy, to be that thermostat, to be that temperature gauge, to decide where you're at. And if you're comfortable, then live your best life. Be the best version of yourself, as
Right.
it said. Otherwise, if you're below the temperature you want to be at, then you're being negative. And if that really makes you happy, I don't know. Maybe.
It's hard. That's funny, right? It's hard to agree with that one, but
It's
some
not for me.
people are happy or sad, right?
Misery loves company, I guess. I don't know. Like, they have this
I
expression.
mean, I remember as a kid there was a period I went through where I loved The Cure, and The Cure was a sad band singing sad songs, and I joined right in with the sadness, and I think I was happy being sad for a year or two, just singing sad songs, So I get it. I get that some people can live their whole life like that. I don't know how, but yeah, but I agree with you. Be happy. That was a little song I wrote,
Yeah, right.
But I think the happy is a lot better. And I think that's all good team building stuff you talked about at work, just doing stuff together. There was I think I'd like to wrap this up with one thing that I noticed during a trip is that one of the families tended to enjoy the pool a little bit more than the beach, and all the other families were going to the beach most days. And so there was a little bit of like feeling of, have we spent enough time with that family? Is that family upset or mad or feeling left out? They came all the way to Jamaica because somebody in this group invited them. Who invited them? I'm thinking, well, I didn't invite him, so I'm not feeling guilty. But one of you guys invited him. He's one of you guys' employees. Maybe you should be making sure they're okay over there. And so I can't help trying to team build. And I said, you know what? It's only $20 a person to ride those rafts behind those boats where they try to throw the kids off of it. Invite their kids to come along with our kids, and let's just pay for it. I'll split it with one of you guys. Because I know Carson wants to do it, but I'll pay more to my fair share because I know you guys have a lot of kids, and some of the young adults that came can't really afford it. They're coming because it's all inclusive. So I'll put a couple $100 up. If you'll put a couple $100 up, and all the kids that want to ride these rafts, and let's join the families together. And it was a good, kind of close to the end of the trip, team building. And that's where I always knew and remembered, but it kind of solidified the team building thing for me. If you got a group, like you said, those two groups that lady's trying to pull together, the herding cat situation, just putting them in a situation where they have to work together to do something, whether it's kayaking, canoeing, the ropes courses, camping, something where they're all spending a lot of hours together doing bowling, just something.
Have you heard of those escape rooms? Can we put them in an escape room?
Sorta, but it depends on which one.
The life or death one, like the Saw movies, where you have to chop your arm off.
You don't get out, you die. That would be a good one because it's problem solved one way or the other, right?